Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you a game app which I have created in Power App. This game is very popular in India and it has been running for almost last 20 years in India. Can you guess it? Yes, you guessed it correct. It is none other than Kaun Banega Crorepati, which is hosted by legendary Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji. And I will quickly show you how does the game looks in Power App. Let me quickly play this. This is the home screen. It has got the background music of KBC and there is an option you can even stop the music. Let's start the game. So it comes with 45 seconds of timing for each question. You can see the timer is moving forward. In the left hand side you can see there are the different levels of prize money which you can win. Starts from 1,000 rupees, and to the right you will get different options, or in the game we call as the lifelines, which is audience poll, 50-50 and phone a friend. Let me quickly answer and show how does it look. Yeah, when you answer it becomes green and it is followed by the next question and timer. So let me use one of the lifeline, which is phone a friend.
नमस्कार मैं अमिताभ बच्चन बोल रहा हूँ कौन बनेगा करोड़पति से.
Yeah, and once you have used this lifeline, you will be not able to click it or use it. Let me use a 50-50 as well. So if you click on 50-50, it removes two options and you are left with the other two. Let me answer this. And there is an audience poll. When you click it, audience poll is generated with a percentage. So they have polled, or the audience have polled for option B. I will go with B. And here I go. I've done it again. I will answer this as well. So let us see what happens if I don't answer it, or if 45 seconds are gone. So you can see when you have entered in the last 15 seconds, the color changes in the background of the timer. And if you don't answer it, let's see what does happen. So it shows your time is up. Thank you for your kind participation. You win 5,000 rupees. That's it. The code base of this app will be given in the comment or the description. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked this video, please put a like and do subscribe my channel for regular updates. There are a lot more coming in Power Apps and other technologies. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.